Happy Friday, everybody. I'm super excited. Yesterday, the podcast interview that I did with Tony Gunn of The Gun Show went live for everyone around the world to hear. So, in this mood of Friday celebration, I'm going to give you a little teaser.
However, there's no better teacher. We have to push things until we learn something new. Otherwise, we're staying stagnant.
Exactly. There is no better teacher than failure, Tony. And that's one of the things that people tend to shy away from: new materials, new operations, and they take it easy. Or, when they're quoting the job, they tend to go easy on it. And it's like, okay, well, you're not going to win the work. Like, there's shops out there willing to risk it. And if you're not willing to push the boundaries and get uncomfortable and accept you may fail, then you're going to lose out on a ton of work, and you're not going to understand why you can't get any jobs in the door. And you're just going to be in this cycle till the shop shuts down. It's unfortunate that I've had to see so many shops shut down in the last 5 years working as a distributor.
Obviously, that's a somewhat sensitive subject. You guys can't see Arthur right now, but we're on video, just taking in the audio, and I can see his face. It's a sensitive subject to see the locals and the people around, having to shut down, I would imagine. I mean, I can see it in your face. So, what's that like in your area?
Now that you've had that teaser, you can check out the link down below to listen out to the full episode. And don't forget to subscribe to The Gun Show while you're there. He is out there humanizing the world of manufacturing. The whole world seems to have this view that it's a whole lot of numbers and a lot of lack of feeling. But there's a lot of heart in this world, and manufacturing touches every aspect of it. And until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.